Saudi there. One man special lightning looking through the air is enough. Yo, I'm in a mess, I can't help it. I just go round and round. I'm paranoid and I'm selfish. Push me and I climb up, I'm shellfish. We had a dream but I shelved it, and that eats me up, that's Elvis. Las Vegas era, man, I'm half bag lady, I'm half Bagheera. I got my hand on my heart, but my heart's in the gutter. Talking to myself, starting to flutter when it thinks about yours. Barking and much like a nutter, trying to start wars on the bus. I'm trying to bustle with his claws out, but with his swords out, the dinghy in the middle of a gale. Making whirlpools the way I chase my tail. Believe me, I go round in circles. Not gracefully, not like dancers, not neatly, not like compass and pencil, more like a dog on a lead going mental. I go round in circles, not graceful, not like dancers, and not neatly, not like compass and pencil, more like a dog on a lead. More like a dog on a lead. Love if you can and pass it on. More like a dog on a lead. Love if you can. Two people, one thinks two's deceitful, two thinks one's plain evil. One loved two so much it was like worship, and two thought one was perfect. One said two, look, I'm awful, trust me, you're so pure that you should not touch me. Two said, I don't care, man, I love you and I can't wait to know you. One said, I'm scared, I will show you the bad side that I don't like. Two said, be yourself and I will be myself. We don't need no one else with their opinions, the past is gone. Let's move on, make present. Two said, okay, you're the best, and you know the rest, right? It all went sour. Now one thinks two is mad for power. Two thinks one tried to devour everything that made one. But two thinks one's got two wrong. Now if there's one truth that lasts forever, can two truths ever exist together? If one loves two, but two don't love, whose truth is true and it's truth enough? 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 Whose truth is true? Man, I go round in circles, not graceful, not like dancers, not needed, not like compass and pencil, more like a dog on a knee going mental. I go round in circles, not graceful, not like dancers, not needed, not like compass and pencil, more like a dog on a knee going mental. I go round in circles, not graceful, not like dancers, not needed, not like compass and pencil, more like a dog on a knee. Before I was an adult, I was a little wreck, peddling whatever I could get my grubby mitts on. Ketamine for breakfast, bad girls for drinking with. I gave them puppy dog eyes for the acid on their fingertips. Heads in the bass bin, lips without faces, getting feisty, half-baked in the bakery, eating pastries, desperate for a body who could save me. But I never really wanted what they gave me. I always wanted something else, sweating in the dole queue, spitting like a villain in a pantomime, old shoes, bad teeth, drinking in the rain with my ghosts. Slumping at the back of the class, comatose. Villains on my back in the dance, they hold me close like you never held. We did some things I swore I'd never tell. That night you tried to kill me, run me down with your car in the snow. I did not realize how far you would go. Every day I've lived, lives in the day I wake up in. My dreams are all screaming and fucked, but I'm fine now. Something remains, it's still pulling me. Yes, my future is bright, but my past's trying to ruin me. Yes, my future is bright, but my past's trying to ruin me. I tried to change it, but I know if you're good to me, I will let you go. Try to fight it, but I'm sure if you're bad to me, I will like you more. Try to change it, but I know if you're good to me, I will let you go. Try to fight it, but made me who I would become. I feel them with me every day, cause if you try and run away, run beside you face for pace, trip you up and drag your face through the mud of every wasted chance and every bitter taste. My heart is sprayed up with the names of all my friends who lost their way. Doesn't change, it all remains. It takes my strength and gives me shame. All I want is someone great to make me everything I ain't. But the only ones for me are the ones that shouldn't be. Even though I'm doing good, I'm working hard, my work is strong. It might be fun just for a while, go back to where my hurt is from. Move myself to emptiness and push my body close to anybody who can recognize the presence of my ghost. Tried to change it, but I know if you're good to me, I will let you go. I tried to fight it, but I'm sure if you're bad to me, I